$500,000 when I got out of prison. He's got the real prison toilet. Because I'm not religious, it's an issue.
Whoa, dude.
This stupid cop was snoring all night.
Snoring kept me up.
Well, I'm living with Snorlax over here.
Snorlax? Wait, you snore?
Apparently, but I don't believe it.
A frozen burger, probably defrosted with some gravy on it.
This food is absolute butt cheeks.
They grew restless and found creative ways to pass the time before the next challenge.
Catch-up dodgeball!
Get out of here, copper!
The prison began to change.
Making this place look nice. Now the guards will finally be afraid of me.